In today's world, learning English has become more important than ever. But what if learning English didn't require expensive courses, long textbooks, or boring lessons? What if you could improve your English anytime, anywhere, with a teacher who never gets tired? This is the power of artificial intelligence. From correcting grammar to speaking like a native, AI tools are transforming how millions of students learn English every single day. Welcome to our documentary, AI English Learning Tools, The Future of Language Education. Chapter 1, The Problem with Traditional Learning. For decades, students have struggled with English. Confusing grammar rules, difficult pronunciation, weak vocabulary, slow progress. Traditional learning methods often depend on long classes, expensive tutors, and memorizing pages of rules. But students today want something faster, smarter, and easier. And that is exactly where AI steps in. Chapter 2, How AI Understands Language. AI doesn't just translate words. It understands language patterns, how sentences are formed, what words mean in different contexts, how people naturally speak, what tone sounds more polite, formal, or friendly. Modern AI models can analyze millions of sentences in seconds. This allows AI to become a powerful tutor, one that can correct, explain, and guide you better than traditional apps. Chapter 3, The Top AI Tools That Help You Learn English. 1. Grammarly, your personal writing assistant. Grammarly instantly checks your writing for grammar mistakes, spelling errors, punctuation, tone, and clarity. It doesn't just tell you what is wrong, it explains why. Students use Grammarly for assignments, essays, emails, and daily communication. It's like having an English teacher inside your laptop. 2. ChatGPT, the AI that talks to you. ChatGPT is more than a tool, it's a conversation partner. You can practice speaking, writing, grammar, vocabulary, interviews, storytelling. You can ask ChatGPT to correct your sentences, rewrite your paragraphs, explain grammar in simple words, create quizzes, generate exercises. For millions of students worldwide, ChatGPT has become their best English tutor. 3. Duolingo Max, AI-powered language lessons. The Duolingo you know has evolved. With AI, lessons become interactive. You can role-play conversations, AI corrects your pronunciation, you learn natural speaking patterns. You get smart hints when stuck. It feels like playing a game, but you're learning with every tap. 4. YouGlish, pronunciation from real people. Type any English word, and YouGlish shows you real-life clips of native speakers using that word. You instantly learn correct pronunciation, natural accents, sentence usage. Perfect for students who struggle with speaking. 5. Elsa Speak, AI for accent and speaking practice. Elsa uses deep learning voice recognition to tell you exactly which English sounds you pronounce incorrectly. It gives real-time feedback, speaking scores, and accent improvement tips. It's like having a personal English speaking coach available 24/7. 6. DeepL Write, powerful grammar and rewriting tool. DeepL doesn't just fix your writing, it improves your writing. It rewrites your text to make it more natural, more fluent, more academic or professional. Students use it for school essays, reports, and creative writing. 7. Google Gemini Learning Coach. Google's AI can summarize lessons, simplify hard paragraphs, and even turn complex English chapters into easy notes. It also converts text into flashcards and quizzes. AI is no longer a tool. It is becoming a complete learning experience. Chapter 4. Why AI helps students learn faster. AI has several superpowers that make learning English easier. 1. Personalized learning. AI adapts to your level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. 2. Instant feedback. Corrects mistakes in seconds. 3. Unlimited practice. AI never gets tired, never gets annoyed. 4. Fun and interactive lessons. Games, quizzes, speaking challenges. 5. Accessible to everyone. No expensive tutor required. Just a phone and internet. AI is closing the gap between students who can afford good education and those who cannot. Chapter 5. The Future of English Learning. In the next few years, AI will make learning even more powerful. 1. AI voice tutors that sound human. 2. Real-time translation glasses. 3. AI reading companion. 4. Fun and interactive lessons. Games, quizzes, speaking challenges. 5. Accessible to everyone. No expensive tutor required. Just a phone and internet. AI is closing the gap between students who can afford good education and those who cannot. Chapter 5. The Future of English Learning. In the next few years, AI will make learning even more powerful. 1. AI voice tutors that sound human. 2. Real-time translation glasses. 3. AI reading companions. 4. AI that tracks your learning progress. 5. Full personalized English courses created in minutes. The future is not coming, it is already here. Students today have access to tools that previous generations could only dream of, from grammar correction to speaking practice, from pronunciation to vocabulary building. AI is changing everything. If you are a student wanting to improve your English, you no longer need to struggle alone. The world's best tutor is now in your pocket. This is the revolution of AI English learning tools, and this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI